Guys, today we look a special MCQ of power system on transmission and distribution. Let's start. High voltage DC HVDC transmission is mainly used for option 1 bulk power transmission over long distance, 2 interconnecting two systems with the same nominal frequency, 3 eliminating reactive power requirement in the operation, 4 minimizing harmonic at the converter station. Correct answer is bulk power transmission over long distance, option 1. Next one. In comparison to overhead transmission in underground system, option 1 voltage loss is less, 2 fault correction is easier, 3 value of charged current is less, 4 initial cost of the system is low. Correct answer is voltage loss is less, option 1. Next one. Cable used for underground service from 33 kV to 60 kV are option 1 extra high tension cables, 2 high tension cables, 3 super tension cables, 4 extra super voltage cables. Correct answer is extra high tension cables, option 1. Next one. The value of inductance per conductor in a three-phase line is dash times the loop inductance for the single phase lines. Option 1 2 1 by 2, 3 1 4 1 by 3. Correct answer is 1 by 2, option 2. Next one. With respect to high transmission voltage, select the incorrect statement. Option 1 reduce volume of conductor material to increase transmission efficiency, 3 decrease percentage line drop, 4 decrease cost of transformer switchgear and other apparatus. Correct answer is decrease cost of transformer switchgear and other terminal apparatus, option 4. Next one. Series compensation of long transmission line result in option 1 lower voltage drop only, 2 maximum power transfer only, 3 power voltage drop and maximum power transfer, 4 higher voltage drop. Correct answer is lower voltage drop and maximum power transfer, option 3. Next one. Which among these a part of distribution system? Option 1 feeders, 2 distributors, 3 servicemen, 4 all of these. Correct answer is all of these, option 4. Next one. In an AC transmission line, difference in phase of voltage at two ends of the line is due to option 1 system voltage, 2 insulators, 3 resistance of line, 4 reactance of line. Correct answer is reactance of line, option 4. Next one. The voltage of a particular bus can be controlled by controlling the option 1 reactive power of the bus, 2 active power of the bus, 3 phase, 4 phase angle and reactive power. Correct answer is reactive power of the bus, option 1. Next one. The Ferranti effect on long overhead line is experienced when option 1 the line is slightly loaded, 2 line is heavily loaded, 3 line is fully loaded, 4 power factor is unity. Correct answer in line is slightly loaded, option 1. Next one. Which of the following voltage range is used in medium transmission line? Option 1 less than 20 kV to more than 200 kV, 3 20 kV to 100 kV, 4 50 kV to 200 kV. Correct answer is 20 kV to 100 kV, option 3. Next one. Which is the limitation of larger cross arm for improving string efficiency of an insulator? Option 1 cost of tower increased, 2 strength of tower do not allow, 3 both 1 and 2, 4 string efficiency decrease. Correct answer is both 1 and 2, option 3. Next one. For transmission line, steel poles are generally used because A. it has more mechanical strength and more life, B. it occupies less space and give better appearance, 3 it has high cost, option A only A, 2 only B, 3 both A and B, 4 only C. Correct answer is both A and B, option 3. Next one. What is the value of charging current in short transmission line? Option 1 less than medium transmission line, 2 equal to medium transmission line, 3 more than a medium transmission line, 4 more than long transmission line. Correct answer is less than medium transmission line, option 1. Next one. The effective resistance of a conductor will be same as ohmic resistance when. Option 1 correct is in true sine wave form, 2 voltage is low, 3 power factor is unity, 4 current is uniformly distributed in the conductor cross section. Correct answer is current is uniformly distributed in the conductor cross section, option 4. Next one. Which of the following is not a function of substation batteries? Option 1 operating automatic control circuit, 2 provide supply to the excitation system, 3 emergency lighting circuit, 4 operating protective relay system. Correct answer is provide supply to the excitation system, option 2. Next one. The substation which change the voltage level of electric supply are called. Option 1 converting substation, 2 switching substation, 3 transformer substation, 4 frequency changer substation. Correct answer is transformer substation, option 3. Next one. The main requirement of the insulating material used for cable is. Option 1 low insulation resistance, 3 hygroscopicity, 3 density, 4 less elasticity. Correct answer is density, option 3. Next one. According to voltage, the cables for operating voltage up to 33,000 voltage are called as. Option 1 low voltage cables, 2 high voltage cables, 3 super tension cables, 4 extra high tension cables. Correct answer is super tension cables, option 3. Thanks for watching my video. Let's do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.